Well, a quick walk around of another 78-inch stand-up we just got here for stock in Peterbilt, Lincoln. Got any questions about this stock truck or any of the units we've got or got coming in, give Nate or Chuck a call. 402-858-8400. This one we put a factory pusher on, legendary blue, hot fudge frame, threw the pusher axle fenders on, stainless, threw a flush mount Merit deck plate on there, painted it to match. .295 wheelbase, threw an aftermarket visor on it. Didn't go real crazy with this truck, we can still add a lot to it yet. Front, disc brakes, 565, 2050 torque. Did the mid-back seats from the factory I like to do. Full gauge package, 18 speed. Platinum interior, the full cabinet package, fridge, bunk heater, a real nice truck. If you got any questions, give Nate or Chuck a call. 402-858-8400.